Peace, guys. Jeremy here again with Consciousness Awake. How's everyone doing? Um, we got the holiday season right around the corner here in the next few days. I hope everyone's planning to have a a good time with their family, friends, next few days. In this video, I want to focus your awareness on astral projection vibrations, or we also call that the vibrational state, vibrational shifting. There's a few different ways of describing it. And in this video, I want to share a secret. I was going to save this specific technique or slash information for my Patreon, but I thought, why not? Why not just talk about it and go over it? And so in this video, I want to share a really, really interesting secret with you that you can implement and utilize in your meditations while you're trying to do astral projection, etc. And before I get into that, I want to say something. It's important to note that the vibrational state or the astral projection vibrations that a lot of people talk about and a lot of people feel and sense and experience, especially newcomers, especially people who are just having their first few astral projections, they really run into the vibrational state. It's not something that you always experience when you're going out of body. Okay, you're going to experience it a lot of times, especially when you're newer to astral projection techniques and meditations to do OBE. But as you have more and more OBEs, more and more astral projection experiences over time, you'll find that sometimes you'll completely bypass or skip any actual vibrational state. So believe me, it's true. There's both sides of it. You have crazy intense jet engine roaring behind your head vibrational states, a jet engine over the roof of your house, kind of sounds and intensities, and then you have just very mild or if no vibrational state sometimes when having successful conscious out-of-body experiences. So why is that both happen or can happen? I don't think anybody has the answer to that. Nobody knows why both of those things can happen. But for the majority of the time, majority of people, you're going to have something that you would definitely describe as a vibrational state experience. And also, there's another thing to point out before I want to share a secret technique with you, which is the reason why I'm making this video. The thing I want to point out is that the vibrational state within itself, when you are feeling the vibrational state, the vibrations, the tingling, the stimulation of the energy body, the etheric energy body. A lot of times you'll feel it down below the feet, around the feet, the toes is kind of where the vibrations start, especially if your meditation process is focused or geared towards, the breathing technique slash relaxing all the muscles in your body. So for me, I always relax my toes and my feet first and then work my way up the body because of the head, the neck, the shoulders, the head, the face muscles are they have a lot of there's a lot they're real tense. So sometimes it's the hardest part to really get the hardest part of your body to get into body paralysis mode for easier astral projections is the neck, shoulders, the forehead, that kind of stuff. So the vibrational state, since we're getting the feet most of the time kind of paralyzed and muscles relaxed, usually the vibrational state ensues. It starts with around the feet area, and that's where you'll feel the tingling and feel the vibrational frequency coming off of your energy body as you're stimulating the energy body. And so the sensing and the feeling of the vibrational state is the energy body, not the physical body. The physical body does not vibrate at all. It's you're feeling the energy body vibrate. Okay. And secondly, what I want to point out is that the auditory, the sounds, the jet engine, the fly buzzing noises, the bee buzzing, humming noises, all these different types of sounds that people experience, that I've experienced many, many times. Um, uh, these are byproducts of the actual vibrational shift. So you're vibrationally shifting from a physical frequency into another frequency, and you're getting that auditory feedback from that vibrational shifting. But the feeling of the vibrations themselves onto your body isn't, again, your physical body vibrating. It's you're feeling your energy body, most of the time just your etheric body, actually getting excited and vibrating stronger and stronger, to where you can actually, sense that. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of point that out. Now, here is the secret technique that I have not talked about yet, and I doubt any of you have ever heard of this before. I doubt any one of you have heard about this. Maybe a few have. We have some really experienced, astral projectors that watch my videos. So maybe you have, but I'm guessing you haven't. So here it is. So when you are doing your breathing and relaxing your muscles, and again, starting by getting your feet and toes into that body paralysis, muscle relaxation kind of mode, and working your way up the body, when you start to feel and sense the vibrational state coming on around your feet, what you can do to kind of speed up everything, and I mean, literally, once you get the bottom half of your body muscle relaxed, body paralysis mode, and you don't even have your head or shoulders or neck or any of those areas like the relaxed, okay? What you can do is, once you start feeling the vibrations around the bottom of your body and below your feet, start to focus on the feeling of those vibrations and the senses of those you're sensing those vibrations, right? The etheric energy body, like the human body, has its own vibrational frequency, right? It's vibrating a certain amount of times per second, per minute, right? The etheric energy body also vibrates just like the human body does, but it vibrates faster, much faster. Not a lot faster, but much faster. But what it does is the etheric energy body pulsates. It sends its own pulsations out, and it pulsates 10 to 20 times per minute, maybe 15 to 20 times per minute. So what you can do is you can harness the pulsations of the energy instead of the actual vibrational frequency of that energy body. And so when you start to feel those vibrations at your feet, the bottom of your body, control what you're sensing and turn your attention and focus on just the pulsation of the vibrations, which would be one every 2 to 3 seconds. I think it's best to just shoot for about 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds, you are putting your awareness and you're focusing on just the pulses of the energy body, of the etheric energy body. And then take those pulses and then pull them up from the bottom of your body, and pull them up and over your heart, chest, neck, head, and above your head. Send it way above your head. Don't stop here, or crown chakra area on top of your head that goes up like this. Send it well above the crown chakra, just going straight up. And what you'll find is you're kind of like bypassing even getting like your head and some of your upper part of your body into that body paralysis mode. It's just like a kind of like a little shortcut. But the secret is to ride the energy waves, not ride the energy waves of your etheric body, but to ride the pulsations, the pulses that your etheric body are actually giving out. Okay? And so just something to try with your techniques, with your out-of-body astral projection techniques. And I'm going to leave it at that. If you have any questions about anything, email me or leave comments down below in the video. And I'll leave this video at that. All right, I'll talk more about this in the future too. Peace.